In this video, I will show you how to make absolutely delicious, thin, and crispy oatmeal cookies. These crispy oatmeal cookies are really easy to make and only require simple ingredients that you probably already have in your kitchen. I will show you the absolutely scrumptious, crispy texture when the cookies come out of the oven at the end of the video. To make this oatmeal cookie recipe, you will need 1.5 cups of rolled oats, 1 cup of whole wheat flour, 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 1/2 cup of white sugar, 1 vanilla pod or 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1/4 cup of dark chocolate chips, or if you prefer, you can use raisins instead, 1/2 cup of toasted nuts of your choice, 1 medium egg, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1/2 cup of vegetable oil. To make these crispy oatmeal cookies, preheat the oven to 320 degrees Fahrenheit or 160 degrees Celsius. Using a food processor or a plastic bag, crush and break the nuts down into small pieces. In a separate bowl, mix together salt, baking soda, whole wheat flour, and rolled oats. Mix till all the ingredients are well combined, and then leave them aside for a minute. Now, using an electric mixer or by hand, mix together egg, vegetable oil, brown and white sugar, and mix until all the ingredients are well combined. Now, take the dry ingredients you had mixed together in a separate bowl and start adding them gradually to the egg mixture. Give all the ingredients a good mix and then add the crushed nuts. And lastly, while still mixing, add the dark chocolate chips or raisins if you prefer. Now, form the cookie dough into small balls and place them on a parchment paper covered cookie sheet, leaving space between each dough ball. Using a fork or a bottom of a cup, flatten each ball to about 1/2 inch thick discs. The thinner the cookies, the crispier they will be once baked. Now, place the cookies in the preheated oven in the middle rack and bake them for about 15 minutes, till you notice the edges are getting firm and golden brown. Once baked, take out the baking sheet and let the cookies cool for 5 to 10 minutes before serving. Cookies might still be slightly soft inside when fresh from the oven, but they become mouth-wateringly crunchy and crispy once cooled. If you liked this crispy oatmeal cookie recipe, then check out these other 9 delicious and exciting crispy oatmeal cookie recipes that you will definitely love. I have left the link in the description below the video. Check it out now.